Hey, good morning. Michael Pfaendtner here. I am going to do a really simple breakfast for you today. I'm going to make my favorite way to prepare scrambled eggs. You'll taste them and I bet you'll say those are the best scrambled eggs you ever had. Did I say simple? You bet. All it takes are a couple eggs, generous amounts of butter, and salt and pepper to taste. I've got these beautiful eggs. The Eggman came by today, dropped off a fresh batch, so let's get cooking. Alright, I'm getting my pan heated and I'm going to toss in some butter here. Get that melted up. I like to use a spatula for this. You'll see why in just a moment. At any rate, let's wait till this butter gets nice and melted. This might not be the most heart-healthy breakfast, but we're facing a lot more serious challenges to our health, so I say what the hell. Okay, you can see I've got a pan of melted butter. I'm going to add my eggs. What I like to do is let the eggs just cook a little bit like this till the yolks, till the whites start firming up. You baste it a little bit. You'll see what I'm going to do in a minute here. Looks like a face, huh? Oh. Okay, it's starting to look almost like a couple sunny side up eggs. So what I'm going to do now is break the yolks. Instead of scrambling them, I just kind of keep folding them over on each other, dragging them through that butter. That's why I like the spatula, because I can keep getting the butter on the eggs. Add a little salt and pepper. Okay. So they're just about done here. So I'm going to put these off to the side. And I'm going to melt a little bit more butter here. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put the eggs on the plate. And then, for the pièce de résistance, I'm gonna take this extra melted butter and just pour this all over it. Delicious. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. That's pretty good. Just a reminder, keep washing those hands. Don't touch your face. Be safe. Enjoy.